The next tool of assessment is Kahoot. Kahoot is a game-based learning platform. It makes easy for an individual or corporation to create, share, and play learning games that drive compelling engagement of the students. In this situation, for an online teaching purposes, Kahoot will engage the students with lots of game-based activities. So the Kahoot is, students are using and teachers are creating the games on the Kahoot. It's like an you've seen in KBC, the fastest finger, and this way these kinds of questions that you can create in the Kahoot. And from students end, just they have to download the Kahoot app or they can log in with the website kahoot.it, and when teachers create the game, at the end of game the teachers will generate one pin, and that pin should be provided to the students, and once students will enter this pin, they will start the game and will appear that the context. So going ahead, teachers should go on create kahoot.it, log in with the Gmail account or Microsoft account, and as a teacher, and then write all these details about the school or university or higher education, then your username required that you want to join the Kahoot, and this Kahoot, this is a paid, but due to this pandemic situation, they had offered a free of cost. School closed due to COVID-19. Get Kahoot Premium for free until for your schools reopen. So you can enjoy nowadays the Kahoot as an free, as we are all suffering with this COVID-19 situation. So just go with this and go with the create Kahoot. Here is the create Kahoot. Click on this create Kahoot and then new Kahoot, and you will find this kind of window. Once you get this kind of window, you can upload the question here, you can set the time here, you can set the points here, and you can use the options. There are a question bank is also there, one by one. It's like an PowerPoint slides. You add the question. Here I asked the question, identify the logo, and I uploaded image of Audi, and I put the time 20 seconds and 1000 points, and the option has been given Mercedes, Audi, Honda, Jaguar. So I had make this as the answer. So as an input to this question. So in similar way, you can add one by one question, then convert into an quiz format, and you will at the end you can use the title of this, and you can assign this whatever the question or game you had prepared, and at the end this code gets generated. So students can join .kahoot.it by just typing this code, or Kahoot app by typing this code. Once students will put this code and start, then this is like a way the window gets started, and you can assign the challenge, question timer, then randomize answer order. So there are some options are there, you can create that one, and at the end those who are the winner, their course will get published. So the beauty of this, who has given the fastest answer, that will be again the winner. So this is something about a Kahoot. We'll see the demonstration of Kahoot also. So this is kahoot.com, and if you go on login, so I will log in with my credentials on Gmail. So once I log in with my Gmail account, so I will open with this one, and you find I had so this way, yeah. So you find I had already created some of the game. So if you find here, you can create a new one, and this is the create option, and once you get, you can type the question here. You can upload the image, you can change the timing 5, 10, whatever the things, and you can upload the image. You can go with these answers, and as I told you, you can, once you did, then you can launch that quiz. There is a question bank also. If you use a question bank of Kahoot, that will be also great. So if I put some of the word invention, so, and if I click here, so there are certain show all 51. So there are some of the invention that I want to prepare the question I have with this. So I created some of the questions with this. So see here the name the invention. So these are some of the images. So if I want to add this question, then I can add. Then this question, then I can add. Then if I want to add this question, then I can add. And what is invention? Was the will of invention? Which invention was an accident? Was fire an invention or innovation? What is invention? Okay, so some of the question, if I want to add from that, then I can close it and then see. So once I get it done, and so they are asking us question 1 is missing, so I will delete and then done. So invention, and the optional description, so validating Kahoot, and play Kahoot, play now, share it with others. So you can share this Kahoot with the Gmail or Google Classroom or something, and you can copy it, or you can close it and play now and test this Kahoot. So if I put here play now, then assign, then create, and so this way you can get an idea about invention, players 0, question 5, and this is the URL that you can go and you can play challenge yourself. So if you click on this, you will get the challenge, or you can copy the link of Kahoot. So that way also ready get set. In the previous also that has been started, and once you put here invention, so okay, join the game, okay, go enter nickname, you can write a nickname, okay, got, and player 1, so invention, and 3, 2, 1, quiz, an invention should. So question, so which is having 27 results of 2 years of question solved for the name and satisfied. Yes, so next, then so name this invention, and again the question, compass, telescope, pendium, thermometer, you can, I think it's a pendulum clock, it's a round telescope. So again I will go with next, 3, name the invention, and so again next, and next, name the invention. So what is our invention. So this way you can get, you have completed the challenge and you got like this. So when your number of students get joined, that will be the great, that will be the great with this scoreboard, and the students can enjoy. This is a very important to engage the students online mode, and for the kids also this can create a good experience of online learning with the help of code. Thank you for watching the video.